Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play American Reckoning by Bon Jovi. So I actually find the song I love nice, having a very soft and nice guitar parts. A lot to learn over here in the song. At least we have something to learn in the song, and over that the lyrics are actually a lot meaningful, and therefore the song is actually a lot nice. So Bon Jovi, great song. Nice band by the way. So let's get started. For the song you don't need any capo. We are all in open chords and obviously stamp tuning. So in a minute just have a look at the chord, and then I'm just going to show you the finger picking and the rhythm. Now the first chord is a G major, which is 3 2 0 0 0 3. But you don't need that third fret on the E string. You can just keep it open because we are only dealing with the B string. Then you have C major, which is mu 3 2 0 1 0. Now if you just lift off your B string open, like you just lift off your index finger, it's a B string open, so it's a C major 7 3 2 0 0 0. Then we have a A minor, mu 0 2 2 1 0. Then we have a E minor, 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then you have a D major. We also have in the song mu 0 2 3 2. And that's almost everything. The big structure we have for the song, we start off with the intro, then we have the verse, then we got the instrumental, then we have the next verse, then we have the chorus, nice and easy soft chorus, then we have the verse, and after the verse we again have a chorus, and after the chorus we have that breakdown part where something like solo stuff goes on. After that we have the bridge, which is equal to the verse, and after that we have instrumental again, and then we have the last chorus for the song. So in this song, what are the parts we need to learn? We have the part verse to learn, we have verse, bridge, all the same. We have the part instrumental breakdown, I mean the solo part, that to learn with a different chord progression, and the chorus with a different chord progression. So these are the three things you need to learn for the song. So let's get started with the verse. Let's get started with the verse, and then in a minute I'm just going to show you the intro and the instrumental. So the chord progression will be a G major, then a C major, then an A minor, then a C, then a G. Now some basics. I use my thumb to pick the E string, A string, or the D string. Then use my index finger to pick the G string, middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. See what I'm doing? I have third fret on the E string. Just have a look at the tab. Now you will see under the tab there's something digit written 4, 5, 3 and all. So these are the number of times you're just gonna play that. Otherwise if I just fit the tab in this screen, it will be like a lot and it will actually get messed up. So therefore you got that number, so that shows you the number of times you're just gonna play that chord. So see how I pick. I play the G major chord first, I play the E string, then the G string, then the E string, then the third fret on the B string with the pinky, first fret on the B string, all are free actually right now on the B string. So we got, after that you again play the E string, third fret, then first fret on the B string. So you got, then you play third fret on the E string, and you play B string open. This kind of that, like it gets bass note, then another note, bass note, another note, bass note, another note. So it's a lot similar. So that's actually nice and easy. You play the bass note and then you just shift to a random note, and then you just change. I'll just like pick some of the notes with the chord, say the arpeggio. Then we have the C major chord. So you saw that it's actually written 4 times. Now I'm not talking about the intro, it's actually the verse. I'm just gonna show you the intro in a minute, but before that, just learn this part. There's a reason why I'm telling this. So we have the verse, we start off with a G major, we played it 4 times. Then we have the next chord, which is a C major 7. Don't play the C, just play mute 3 2 open open open, and you play this 5 times. You play A string, open G string, A string 3rd fret, B string 3rd fret, A string 3rd fret, B string 1st fret, A string 3rd fret, open G string. So you see the exact pattern gets repeated for all the chords. So now what I do is I kind of strum that the 3rd fret and the 2nd fret on the D string. Like I strum some of the bass note and the octaves and some other 5th and 2nd or 3rd. So let's play that 5 times. You can see 2 3 4 5. Then we have the A minor chord. We repeat the exact same pattern. We play open on the A string 2nd fret, on the G string open, so we now have 2nd fret. So we play open A string, then the G string 2nd fret, then open A string, then 3rd fret on the B string, then open A string 1st fret on the B string. So my pinky and my index are actually supposed to do the stuff on the B string, and then I play open B string. So we go. But for this time we just play 3 times, as you can see. And then we move on to the C major 7 chord. We play that 2 more times. And then we move on to the G chord and we play it 1 more time. 1 more time. So the verse will sound something like this, and this is the main part of the song. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. C major, 2 3 4. Last time. Sorry. Last time. So we played this for 3rd time, and then we have the C 1 more time. So 2 times in total, and the G once. And now after that you will also hear a G, but that's what I was saying, that we have the intro and the instrumental. Now the intro and the instrumental is nothing but that G thing which you played 4 times. You just play that 4 times for the intro, and then you start with the G again and you play the verse. So for the instrumental and the intro we have the same thing. 1 more, 2 more left, last time, and then you move on to the verse and you start playing 4 times G major. And then you play the C major chord, 5 times, A minor, C major, and then you play the instrumental. Instrumental, you actually play that that thing which you played G major. You just play it 2 times. Sometimes you will see that the instrumental, instead of G, like 2 times, it goes for 3 times. But I think you can actually figure that out. It's a lot easy. Like 1 time. Some of the places may go 3 times, 2 times, like that. After that, we actually have the next verse, so you know that. And now we have the chorus. And for the chorus, just have a look at the chord progression. We have a C major. Before that, let me show you the rhythm. Now the rhythm will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So on the 3rd count, we are actually strumming a loud down. On the 1 and 2, we are doing down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass notes. So we got 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we got. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So basic rhythm. Now firstly, the verse equal to the bridge. The bridge is exactly similar as the verse. You can just call it a verse also, but for some formalities of the song and all, I call it the bridge. And now we have this chorus stuff. So we have a G, C, we start off with a C major, then a G, then an A minor, then a G major, then an E minor, then a G, then a C, then a G. Now you will just play the chord, the string pattern. I'll show you right now, once for each chord. And let's see how it sounds. sorry, G, C, and after that we have the next verse and next chorus exactly same. All the chords are exactly same. And then we have the little breakdown, and the chord progression will be a E minor, C, D, another time D, A minor, E minor, then we have a C, then we have a G, and then we have a D. We play that 2 times. So we play E minor, C, D, D. 2 times means E minor, C, D, D, E minor, C, D, D. And then we have that A minor, again a A minor, then a G, again a G. And after that we have G, and again a G. And we play 2 more times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's play that, and then we have that bridge, which is the verse, and then the instrumental, and then the chorus. So let's play the whole thing together with that rhythm, same rhythm. That part, and that's basically almost everything for this song. So if this helped you out, make sure to drop me one of these, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, stay notified, check out the comment down, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.